Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics, play a very important role in Power BI visuals. You can create much more customized visuals using SVG code in Power BI. So in today's video, I'm going to explain how to create a visual which is basically a traffic signal kind of visual, which helps you to understand your data points, whether they are profitable or not. So based on the criticality of your data value, it shows that color in a traffic signal format. And it's quite easy and simple. I will be explaining you step by step, including the code, so that you can understand how to use it. My only request is please watch this video completely to understand the concept, and if any comments or feedback you want to pass on, please mention them in the comment section. Now let me jump into the video and let me explain you how to start with that. Before creating a measure with an SVG code, first let us understand various properties of a traffic signal shape using PPT. So now when you are writing an SVG code, primarily there is a frame or there is a shape which will have a backdrop. So for that, I'll just add a regular shape and I'll just drag like this. So this is the SVG container. Now within that, I will have the traffic signal. How the traffic signal will be, the main box will be a black box. So I'll just add one rounded corner shape and then I'll convert into a black color. You can add an outline also, but I'm not adding outline here, but I can add an outline within SVG. Inside that, I will be adding one circle and bring it here. Now this circle will have a color red color. Then I'll have one more circle. This will be yellow color and one more circle that will be green color. So this is how the shape of traffic signal appears. Now first the container, under that the black box, a rectangle, under that three circles which will have the position of each circle and also the radius of the circle and color of the circle, same way rectangle's color, and rectangle also should have the rounded corners. So first we'll start with the basic container, then rectangle, then all circles. That is how the code will be written. First we'll write a basic code to create this kind of shape with lesser bright colors, and then we'll decide when this red should be bright and when this should yellow be bright and when the green should be bright. We'll decide through the formula. So let me jump into Power BI and then new measure, and I'll start with my measure. Now the measure name is traffic signal. How the SVG code is written, it will be under SVG tags within double quotes. Now the SVG tag will be written like this, SVG, close the SVG tag. In the beginning of SVG tag, we need to start writing properties of that particular container. The container's width will be 60. Later I can adjust it if I want. And the height will be 160. Another very important property is XML namespace. Without this, your SVG will not work. HTTPS and then www.w3.org 2000 and SVG. Between the tags, I need to write the remaining code. First, I need to create that black rectangle. I need to start with the rect tag. And now within the rectangle tag, I need to add the properties. First, the position of my rectangle, x equal to. That means I want to keep it very left corner of the container what I created on the top. And then y equal, again this is also width equal 40. We can adjust it later. And height equal 140. After that, I want fill. Fill equal, I don't want complete black, maybe grayish black. Hash 333 is fine. And I want also the outline, so that is stroke. That stroke color is, I want to use this color. Then the stroke outline width 3 points or 3 pixels. Stroke width equal 3. And apart from that, I want rounded corners. That will be called as Rx equal 10 points. And that is my rectangle. Now I need to add 3 circles. So circle will start with a circle tag, and within the circle tag we need to write the x position and y position. For circle, the positions will be called as cx and cy. Cx equal, the first circle will be starting at 22 and cy is at 40. Then I want a fill. Let me add tomato. And then there is one more property that is called fill opacity equal 0.2. That means less bright. And before the fill, I need to write the radius, the size of the shape or circle will be 15. Fill we have done, fill opacity we have done. With that, our first circle is ready. Now the second circle. Second circle, y position will be 80 and fill will be yellow. Same way, third circle, the position will be 120 and this will be at this level. We have created the basic SVG shape, and then later we will exploit this particular 0.2 value to a dynamic value through the formulas. First, let us see what exactly is happening. So let me save it. Now let me add a new page, and in this page, first of all, I need to change the page size to a tooltip page. So go to view, select properties, and then select canvas settings, convert into a tooltip. Now inside that, I need to add one visual called HTML content, which is available within the marketplace. You can download it. I'm just adding this. Inside that, I'm adding the traffic signal. Now you can see our basic traffic signal is ready. Now let us look at this visual, the table visual, where we have profit margin. Now there is a negative, there is a positive. Anything less than 5% will be red color, but anything more than 5% but less than 10% yellow color, otherwise green color. So that is what we need to decide. So accordingly, my formula will change. Now I'm coming back to the traffic signal, and then I need to create some variables. So variable margin, I've already created profit margin, so I'm just calling that profit margin as margin, so that writing formula will be easy. Variable light red equal when it has to be light and when it has to be bright. If margin less than 0.05, that means 5%, then it will be 1, otherwise it will be 0.2. Then variable light yellow, if margin is greater than 0.05 but less than 0.1, then it will be 1, otherwise 0.2. Finally, variable light green, if margin greater than 0.1, then 1, otherwise 0.2. I need to use return, execute these variables. Property, the fill opacity now will change. Here I'll remove only 0.2 and I'll 2 times double quote and 2 times ampersand, light red. Same way here, then light yellow. Here light green. If I press enter, this visual will be now nice. Now let me select this table visual and let me go to properties, then go to general, then go to tooltips, and then in the tooltips you need to change the page to page 3 or whatever tooltip page. Now when I hover the mouse on it, can you see that it is red? Why it is red? Because it is negative. 1 is again red, 23 is green, 7 is yellow, 1 is red, 8 is yellow, 10 is green because it is more than 10. So that is how you can create a nice visual, custom visual using SVG code. I hope my explanation is giving you an idea how to create this kind of visual. First of all, I would like to thank you very much for watching this video. Kindly do subscribe. Please share this video with as many possible. Thank you very much again.